everyone. Today we're going to explore the QQQ and to see how it behaves in the recent weeks and trying to give it a forecast as much as we can. Let me save this as a different file. QQQ ARIMA. Don't forget the dots R and D, otherwise it will save it as a text file. Let's start the modification here. First, let's load the libraries. The thing we're going to change here is change it from SPY to QQQ. We're going to stick with the December 1st in last year and getting the stocks here. Be careful. Close prices. Maybe I should write another function to do this. Let's load the data first. QQQ is up to March 24th, yesterday afternoon, before the stock bell rings. Let's do this quickly, as we can see. And that's last year. This is kind of in a downturn trend right now. Do a little bit EDA as we did for SPY. It follows the similar AR1 and trend, and it has a degrading trend in the ACF. It's a plotted the first order of the difference and detrended. As we can see, it's a fairly large fluctuations here. Let's also take a look at the rate of the return yesterday, well, and the last week. We will do on this again to see whether after the detrending it looks fairly like a noise here. Let's quickly move to the model building, as we suggested before for the SPY. Let's try AR1 first to see how it goes. Looks at the residues, not much deviate, but we do see a fairly kind of a amount of outliers, fluctuations or noise in this. We can predict to see how this goes. Sorry for this. This has to be manually done here. Function needs to be written for sure for the future improvement. Let's run it again. Another one, QQQ, TS, SPY, TS. There might be another place I have to modify. Let me try to run this one by one. Stock, this passed. How about this one? Yeah, it's also passed. And okay, not too bad. here. Let's follow the trend. Some of the places you see it's a fair awful lot. Let's try with one other bit difference. Seems to be fine. Let's give it 5 days prediction here. As we can see this time, it's a little bit like a stay where they were. Another one, it's fairly flat. Let's use the auto selection. It's very similar to SPY. Not too much new. Again, have to do this. QQQ. Give it a shot again. Fine. Very similar to what we had before. Here's this. Very quickly. Just less. Similar trend, a little bit up. Almost a flat, this one. Check the residues. Well, it's a fairly large fluctuations that we can see here. Check the residues. Do it again. Let's just skip this one for now. Here we're started in the cross validation. As we can see, we use a 30 days window here, trying to predict the next 5 days. These 30 days are rolling windows for the prediction. Run this chunk. It takes, well, so it is let's just say 8, 9 somewhere range. Okay, this is smaller than the ARIMA, so sometimes in the ARIMA model, not a bad idea. Always run it as a comparison basis. I think the Exponential Smoothing achieved a very similar results, and the ARIMA actually lost its forecasting. We can see here again we plotted this a little bit upwards. So that's what we got here so far. Hopefully this can give you some hints, as I certainly needed to improve some of the code. I don't have to manually modify in the future. Thank you for watching. See you next time.